I am here at Isha Yoga Center. On this auspicious night of mahashivratri, I have received this prasadam of Rudraksha Diksha. I am very grateful to Sadhguru and the volunteers of Isha Yoga who have provided this facility to soak myself in the tears of ecstasy of Shiva. I truly bow down to all the volunteers. Namaskaram. So I am here at Isha Yoga Center and today we will do the unboxing of Rudraksha Diksha package 2024. The prasadam have been just received on the mahashivratri and now we will see what is there in this Rudraksha Diksha Kit in 2024. Now we will do unboxing of this Rudraksha Diksha packages. Okay. So this is one Adiyogi image that comes with this Rudraksha Diksha package. Okay. This is an instruction sheet in which there is written in different languages about all the things that are available in this package. That is Rudraksh, Abhaya Sutra, Isha, Vibhuti, Adiyogi image. This is a special code from Isha Life, which if you apply, you will get a discount. This is for that. Energized Vibhuti. This is consecrated in Dhyanlinga. This Vibhuti is to be applied in the three chakras, that is here Anahata, Vishuddhi and Agna. This Abhaya Sutra. This is to be worn on the wrist. This gives protection towards to one against negative influences also. This is the thread in which Rudraksh has to be tied to keep it on your neck. So there might be a confusion between these two threads because these are similar threads. So how to make out which is Abhaya Sutra and which is for the Rudraksh? So the one which is longer one in length is for Abhaya Sutra and the one in short is to be kept for Rudraksh. And this package consists of Rudraksh. So we are getting two sacred Rudraksh. These Rudraksh are Panchmukhi Rudraksh. So these are the things that we are receiving in Rudraksha Diksha this year in 2024. So please make use of this opportunity to soak yourself in tears of ecstasy of Shiva. You can also receive this Rudraksha Diksha package delivered to your home totally free of cost, and there are no delivery charges as well. To register for Rudraksha Diksha, please check the link in the description of this video. The registrations are currently open. Namaskaram.